Is your Epson printer still showing low or empty ink levels even after you've replaced or refilled the cartridges? Don't worry, this is a common issue and can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process step by step using your printer's control panel. And by the end, your printer should recognize the cartridges correctly and display updated ink levels. If you need additional assistance, feel free to call the numbers on the screen for personalized support. Now, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, you need to navigate to the Settings option on your printer's control panel. After that, go to the Maintenance option from the Settings menu and press the OK button to open it. Next, keep pressing the right arrow button on your printer's keypad until you see Set Ink Level option appear on the screen. This might take a few presses, so just keep going until you find it. Once you see Set Ink Level screen on the display, then go ahead and hit the OK button to move forward with the reset process. On the next screen that appears, you're going to see options for different ink colors, usually black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Select the specific color or colors you want to reset the ink levels for. If you want to reset them all, you can select them all. Now, press the OK button to confirm your selection and move to the next step. Next, you need to set the ink level for the colors you selected. The screen will ask you to set the level. You can usually choose between different percentage options or set it full. Select whatever option you prefer. For newly installed or refilled cartridges, you'd probably want to set full or 100%. Finally, press the Start button to confirm and complete the ink level reset process. Your printer will now reset the ink counter for the cartridges you selected, and it will recognize them as full or at the level you set. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.